This is Pete on a 1941 Ariel WNG. I'll let him go by. It's quite loud. It's a really nice machine. Oops, hang on, well, I'm trying to get away from the inevitable cars today. Apologies for that. Here he comes. Right, now we're on it. Okay, this was made in 1941, right at the end of 1941, and it was the first contracts to have bags fitted to it. It's badged to the Parachute Regiment, one of the companies. And it drives well. And it sounds even better. As you know, we don't get that many WNGs. And this is, well, the last one actually from my collection of stuff that I'm disposing of. Hello, good grief, it's off again. It's nice to see a WNG with everything on it, field stands and bags, original genuine bags as well. Nothing repro on the bags. Really nice set. Obviously we've put a little number plate on for the road ride, but it's you take that off for a show. It's got the proper convoy light on it. We haven't done this one with a blackout mask, just left it as it is. So you can actually go and ride it. Yeah, I'll just go around it a little bit. It's its proper wartime IDC number. Yeah, it really has got some very nice parts on it, levers especially. Okay, that's it guys.